In this video we will make another robot, so you can say like swimming robot or like as you like. So our materials are again like same combination with the yellow motor, and I have two sticks that I drilled here and two more sticks and two big sticks and two pipe and three wheels, and I also have like two more small sticks. Let's start. Okay, this is my batteries and this is working. Okay, and this will like go as swimming, so I will put this one in front of my robot. So that's why I will put this one here. Let's put, yes. Okay, and then my bottom will be here, close to here, and my battery pads will be here. Yes, in this video I will show you something super funny. You will see what I mean. I will try to make two-way robot. Let's see. Okay, and how can I do that? First of all, I will put my wheels here. How to do this, you already know that. First, put a wheel and then a small pipe here, and then again wheel. Whoa. It should turn, and if I cut it will fire. Yes. This one I will put here. Let's see, maybe it will go in both way. Whoa. And I put this one here. Okay, then what are you gonna do? Just keep it like this. Yes. And after that, I will put my arms. This one gonna be here and also here. But there is also one hole here, and I will glue this one like this. Here and here and here and here. Make it super strong. Okay, this one will be here, and the second one again will come to here in the same way. Yes. Okay, I will also glue here. Okay. Now, if I touch the bottom, then it turns. That's good. It's kind of like arm, but I also need hands. Let's cut this one to not touch to the ground. Here and here. Right now, well, now what am I gonna do? First of all, I will make arms. If I make arms, they will go together. If I make arms like this, then one is like right and one is left. It will be like slower, but I think it will be funnier. Then I want to do this one. Let's do like this. This one will be here, and it should be super strong. Yes, like this. And the other one will be back. Right now, it will work, but it's slower. I will show you why, and then I will put this one to the up. Yes. Let's see how it's gonna go, or if it's gonna go. It will be okay. It's not super strong right now. Still needs to be dry a bit. Also this one. And okay, waiting that one, I want to make it a bit like funny. Then I will put some antennas here. Let's put it also. Two antennas here. Okay, like this. And I'll put one head to these antennas. one head to here. It will shake the antennas during walking. Let's see how it's gonna go. If you want, you can also put some like a holder here to more strong one. Just this. Okay, then I think it's almost dry. Let's see. It's not going well. The reason, first of all, this is not dried, I guess, still. And the second reason, it's like there should be some gum here as your shoes. So you know that springers always use like special shoes. Then I will put some shoes here and here. Then it will go faster. And I will wait for dry. So wait till dry and put some like glue to here and glue to here. So in this case, it will be like faster than before. And let's see, it's gonna dry. Wait till dry. And right now, when you push the button, then it will go as a zoomer. If you put like two at the same like direction, it will like go like this. But it's also so funny, like it will go and turn. So we have a funny robot going well.